Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to come on and show you all some happy mail and some finished objects, faux. And I'm excited to show you what I got. So I got this box from Furls. I can't wait to see what's inside of here. And also this envelope right here that also has a beautiful purple heart on there. That's a nice purple heart. And that's wonderful. Shout out to all of those who have served and received that purple heart. So thank you for putting this on the envelope. I see you. Okay, let's see what we have. The Sailor Mail. All right, it's taped up a little bit more. I went off camera and I opened the packages so you wouldn't have to wait to see me go through that. So let's see. Oh, this is from Cooking at Pam's Place. If y'all don't know her, y'all need to go and check her out. She went ahead and sent me some of the beautiful armbands, and she sent one for my grandson and also for me. It says her famous tagline, "Come with me. I'll show you what to do." And inside, if you flip it over, it says Cooking at Pam's Place. So if you all don't have her, my lovely bestie, y'all need to go and check her out. I will make sure her link is in the description box down below, which it is already, but I'll put it at the top. And yes, this is so cool. Thank you so much. Oh, this must be for my grandson because it is the small one. She has different sizes and she has some lovely merch. If you all want to go and support her, please do. Yes, this one here on the left side must be mine. But yes, this is Cooking at Pam's Place. Thank you so much for sending me these bands. This is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Yes, show me, honey. Show me how to cook all your ingredients. Show me how to do all the things like Mrs. DeVeter says. So now we're going to segue into furls. I know y'all want to see what's in here, right? So they always do some very nice packaging. I can't wait to show you all. If you've ever ordered from Furls before, you do know that they have, or each one of these hooks, they're unique in their own right, which means that each hook is uniquely designed. They don't always come out the same. Look at this. This is from the Mystery Seconds. Look at this hook. Isn't that gorgeous? This beautiful yellow. And it reminds me of clouds in there. I love... the beautiful artwork. And a lot of these hooks, honestly, I buy, but I buy it because it's a work of art. Someone created this and no two are the same. And this is an eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is gorgeous. I love it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I love to look at it. So It feels good. It's very lightweight. And these mystery seconds, oh my goodness, they were $9 each. I did do a video on it. And I show you all, if you want to get a furls and you didn't want to pay $24 for a hook or more, depending on which hook you get. If you tried to get the Candy Shop when Candy Shop was hot, or Odyssey, which those two are going to be no more. Oh, this is the cookies and cream. This is an end hook. This is a 9mm. This is the cookies and cream. So when you think cookies and cream, you're going to think about black and white. Very, very beautiful. And I'm getting more cream in this one than most. It has a nice feel to it. I'm a knife holder. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I love this. So I purchased a few of these. Let's see what else I got. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a P hook. It reminds me of the cow prints, but it's not black and white, but it's red and white. You guys get that vibe? This is so beautiful. This one is heavy, and that's because it's bigger. Y'all see that? Look at the hook. Oh, this is nice. I love that. And I don't have one like that. So this is a P hook. It's a 10mm hook, if I didn't say. Oh, I love that. All right. So it's like getting a mystery box or a mystery bag of yarn. You get mystery hooks. And you all know that furls change their packaging, which is very, very beautiful. I love it. I loved everything that's written in that rose gold. I'm a furls girl for life, honestly. Look at the pearl. Oh my goodness, look at this. And I might need to change the lighting. That's more what I'm seeing, is this K hook. The K hook is a 6.5mm hook. This is very, very pretty. I want you all to see the pearlized view. Oh my goodness, look at that. So nice. So this is what I got for my mystery seconds. I am very happy with what I got. And this 6.5 is definitely lighter than that P hook. All right. So I do have large hands. And you can see where the hook would fall if I was holding it in my hands. I know some of you all may have smaller hands and you're concerned about whether or not you will be able to work with this, or if it is comfortable for you or not. I would say for the comfort level, this would be great for you to try to purchase some furls when they're on sale, just like this one or these. They were $9 a piece, and you can try it out. This is the Streamline hook. All right. My fave is the Odyssey. All right. I love Odyssey, but when you see the furls deals, use my link in the description box down below or on any of my videos, just click that link and it will take you to furrows, and I get a little kickback from that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, wait a minute. Whips, right? I asked you in the last video, what do you think I should make with that ice yarn? This ice yarn right here. The fall yarn, which is ambiance, right? With that olive, the orange, mustard, and so on and so on. The tan, the brown. I decided to make a poncho. So this is what I'm working on right now. A poncho. I thought this would look great on my mannequin. Okay. It'll look great on me too. But I am using the ice yarn, and I realized that it was going to be a little bit busy for me. Too busy working it up. And so this is one side. And this is the other side. Okay. And I decided to come on the yarn ship and see what I can pair with it to break up all of this busyness. And I came up with James C. Brett Aztec Aran yarn. It does have alpaca in it. It is 100 grams. And it is 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca. And this is a beautiful green color. The shade is AL9. I love it. It's nice and soft. And it said made under license in Turkey for James C. Brett. And I thought this would work well together. So far, so good. I will say that this James C. Brett is a little splitty, even though it is machine washable and dryable. But if you can get past a little splitting, because I am using my Odyssey hook, I could switch to a wooden hook. And for the beginners, if you're thinking in terms of, oh, this isn't working for you, you may need to change your hook size. Hook. You may need to change your hook. All right. It may not be the yarn. Work around the issues with the yarn and change your hook. So you may not use an acrylic or a plastic, but you might want to use a wood, or you might want to use a metal hook. The Odyssey hook. I love Odyssey. That is my fave. All right. It's like butter. Just like Sis Granny says, and it yarn glides off of my hook when I use the Odyssey. So anywho, I'm using this pattern I decided to use was Bag of Day Crochet's Granny Connection, because I am a granny. And if you don't know, I have 5 grandchildren. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 grandchildren. So I decided to do the Granny Connection because I was waiting for a moment to actually use that pattern. And now is the time. And I'm going to run into fall. So I'm going to use these beautiful colors and ice yarn with that green. I'm going to break it up. And I'm going to make it a little bit chunkier with the green. So you see the green right here. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to keep going, and I may make this wider. All right. I might even go a whole nother 4 rows of this and make it here. And then I'll pick back up with that ice yarn ambiance. So that's where my mind is. My mindset is. Those are my 2 whips. Oh, wait a minute. I said 2 whips. Wait a minute. One more whip. All right. I am going live tonight at 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if my video uploads in time. So I'm looking really fast. Here is my other whip. Some of you may know that I had turned Crystal's hood into a skirt for my granddaughter. So here it is. This is it. Make sure you all can see that. I used at the top this Picasso Rainbow 2. And I used Red Heart Super Saver in Patty Green. And at the bottom, I went ahead and added several other rows to make this cute skirt. It's going to be a classic. And I'm working on designing a, what do you call it? Blazer. All right. So this is the back panel. The back panel is done of the blazer. So I'll just try to see if you guys can get kind of a visual. So it may do a little overhang a little bit. That's what I'm working on right now. And I did draw it out. I did. And I have some other pieces here. I have this beautiful side right here, the front panel. This is going to be worked up into 5 panels. And so I'm hoping that my vision for this classic look for my granddaughter will resonate onto my crochet hook and I can get this done. But this I'm working up from the bottom up. So obviously there will be some sewing involved, and I'm going to go up, and then somewhere in here I'm going to stop, and then I am going to join my yarn, and I'm going to work up this way and over, back and forth. So therefore, when I get to the top, somewhere in here, it's going to fold over, hopefully. This is how my brain is working. It's going to fold over, and then it's going to do that on the other side. And then I am going to do a nice, beautiful collar and the Picasso. All right, I'm tying it in. Whether or not I will do a couple buttons, I may do 2 or 3 buttons. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. But I'm thinking maybe I'll do 1, 2, and 3 for buttons, but she doesn't necessarily have to use it. Just will be there just in case, right? And that's it. Oh, and the sleeves. Obviously, I'll do the sleeves, and the cuffs will be in this Picasso on each side. They won't be as thick. I'll probably stop it midway here with the rows, and then I'll do the sleeves to complement it. So that's what I've been working on. Well, I have some other whips, but y'all can't see those yet. Like Sandrine said in her live, I can't show you. All right, but I do have some other projects I'm working on as well. Just never ends. It never stops. But thank you for tuning in. I greatly appreciate you. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. Live life to the fullest. Okay? Make your day great. I'll see y'all next time.